Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an instrument that known as Video Spectral Comparator, VSC. This video will be presented by me, Anushka Mukherjee, member of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So let's start with the discussion. VSC is designed to satisfy the demands of immigration authorities, government agencies, and forensic science labs. The VSC includes advanced characteristics of the examination, comparison, and authentication of documents including passports and travel records, official letters and breeder documents, banknotes and checks, works of art, and valuable artifacts through the detection of imperfections. Video Spectral Comparator comprises of the following: laser-induced breakdown spectrometer, Comparator, monitor. VSC is an integrated composite system comprising of cameras, various light sources which includes IR, laser, UV, etc., and filters that assist in the comparison of questioned documents. Specifications in VSC digital imaging. High-resolution scientific-grade camera. In the main unit, one has a high-resolution CCD firewire color camera with sensitivity from 360 nanometers to 1100 nanometers, different light sources and optical filters as well as trans-light panel. Zoom magnification range of approximately x 1.5 to x 170, plus or minus 6% on the standard 75 cm 30-inch display monitor. Complete control of VSC system hardware, image processing, comparison and analysis, hyperpectoral imaging module, seamless integration with document and banknote databases, comprehensive casework management, automated examination routines, interactive tutorial. The VSC consists of the main unit and PC system of 30-inch screen. The VSC also has a filter instrument panel. With this, the filters to be used in the camera and the spot lamp while using different functions can be chosen. This can decide if the whole range of the incandescent lamps of 400 nanometers to 1000 nanometers will be measured. The first light source is incandescent filament lamps and has a range from 400 nanometers to 1000 nanometers. These lights are used in the VSC when one uses the functions of flood, transmitted, spot and side lighting. The VSC offers three varieties of UV light. This is with 365 nanometers UVA, 312 nanometers UVB, and 254 UVC peak wavelengths. They uses narrow band illumination to trigger fluorescence. The VSC offers three different kinds of transmitted light. These light sources are located underneath the trans-light panel. The side lighting is also a broadband illumination. There are two lamps, one on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side of the text platen. These can be used individually or they can both be on at the same time. Coaxial light is a different function that the VSC offers. Coaxial light is a light that is perpendicularly on the document. Coaxial light shows retroreflective features in security documents, which are often used to prevent foggies. Such retroreflective features are hidden under normal light but exposed when the incident light is exactly coaxial to the angle of view. In this slide we can see how a document looks like when we put it under VSC for examination. Thank you for listening to our discussion. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. To watch more interesting videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.